I would encourage you to explore the plant commonly known as Dracaena. I mean, look at this thing. And that's a basic form of Dracaena you can get at almost any home improvement store in the landscaping area and the indoor plants. But when you plant these things in loose soil and fertilize them with bunny manure and, you know, plenty of water, they do this. I've got several varieties of Dracaena in my yard. One is this, the Song of India. Another one is this, the Song of Jamaica. Then I have just straight green version of this. And then there are the longer leaved Dracaenas like this. But look at how it makes, especially this, the Song of India, how it makes this whole backdrop of green pop. That gives it definition, I would claim. And I do think I'll probably add another one here maybe. But there's another Dracaena. They grow very, very well from cuttings. Now this is one that has more of a pink color. I think it's called a